Past Monday was Martin Luther King Jr. Day in the United States. Bear with me for a second. My 17-year-old son has told me that this is a bit cliche and kind of cringy, and he rolled his eyes at me. And as I said, I was going to talk about Martin Luther King as an American. But he's on the TikTok Youth Council. He is a 5 Rights ambassador, and he's also the ambassador to the Children's Rights Commissioner in England. So I'll cut him some slack, and I'll still talk about Martin Luther King. So back to this day. It's the 3rd Monday of January of each year, and also this January. And his words and his deeds were overshadowed by other events, including fire. And here I would like to give my heart out to all the firefighters, including my baby brother, who is a deputy chief in California with 1,200 firefighters underneath him, and they are all out there doing what they can. So let me remind you of his vision for the future with the help of some fabulous prompts that I wrote and with the help of ChatGPT. This is the part where my son said it was cliche, but it's okay. Gotta put on my voice. Let us not wallow in the valley of despair. I say to you today, my friends, even though we face the challenges of algorithms that amplify division, the spread of misinformation, and the harm of cyberbullying, I still have a dream. It is a dream deeply rooted in the belief that technology can unite us, not divide us. I have a dream that one day this digital world will rise up and live out the true meaning of its purpose: to connect, to educate, and to empower, ensuring that all people, regardless of their age, background, or ability, have equal opportunities to thrive online. I have a dream that one day in online spaces, once fractured by bias and exclusion, children of all backgrounds will engage in collaboration and innovation, sitting down together at the table of shared understanding and mutual respect. I have a dream that even in the darkest corners of the internet, sweltering with the heat of online harassment, inappropriate content, and inequity, there will emerge platforms that stand as oases of safety, inclusion, positive content, and dignity. I have a dream that our children will one day live in a digital world where they are not judged by the number of likes on their post or by the algorithms that shape their experience, but by the creativity of their ideas, the kindness of their actions, and the integrity of their character. I have a dream today. This conference is now launched. Let's get to work.